In this video, I'm going to show you new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission. This service will be specific service because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services, and if you promote this service, you can get commission like this, as you can see over here. Okay, I made $110 using free traffic just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you a new service that you should promote on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. So for beginners who want to start Fiverr affiliate and marketing and they don't know how they can start, so what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You're gonna just use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Okay, so just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So what you're gonna do is you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, account type, make it private, and scroll down and answer a few questions over here. Choose your country. Okay, you're gonna choose your country. You should find your country here. They have different countries. Then you're gonna choose your language, as you can see, English, Spanish, and so on. Then you're gonna put your Skype here. Okay, if you don't have Skype, just click on next and follow a few questions, and that's it. As you can see, it's super easy and simple. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do next is you will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Facebook. So what you will do is you will click on the search over here and you will search for YouTube SEO. Okay, search for YouTube SEO service like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, or top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy your affiliates, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and they will earn commission. Okay, but if you choose new sellers that doesn't have any reviews or any levels, if people click, they will not buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so for example, as you can see over here, there are a lot of good sellers, level 2 seller, level 2 seller, they have a lot of reviews. For example, I'm gonna choose this one have a lot of reviews and he is selling this service just for $5. So what you will do is you will click on his service like this. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, then click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, and click over here and put your this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy this link from here. Okay, and as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. Okay, so what you will do is you can go to Google, search for Bitly. Okay, search for this website, search for Bitly. This website make long links short and you can use it for free. So just search for Bitly, sign up by using your email address. Then you should have an account like this one. Click over here and create new link. Then put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, and click over here on create. And here you go. you just made your affiliate link short link. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here. Now what you will do is you will go back to your Facebook home page. Okay, so just go back to your Facebook home page like this. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click on the search over here, and you need to search for YouTube subscribers. For example, search for YouTube subscribers, scroll down, click over here on groups. Okay, because we need Facebook groups. You should find a lot of YouTube Facebook groups that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join a lot of Facebook YouTube groups. Okay, so for example, let's click on the first group. For example, you will be directly in this page over here like this, and as you can see, there are a lot of people here searching for how to increase their YouTube subscribers and grow their YouTube channels. Okay, as you can see this one over here, so let me see, you should find a lot of people here searching for how to increase their YouTube subscribers. Okay, this one I need 1000 subscribers, as you can see, and if you scroll down you will find a lot of people searching for how to grow and how to get more views, more subscribers to their YouTube channels. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to, let me show you, you need to click over here on write something like this. Okay, and you're gonna create a post, and you need to put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, as you can see, and let me make it. So what you will do next is you need to put description here that describe this affiliate link, so you can give more information about this service. So what you will do is you will go back to this affiliate service on Fiverr. Okay, scroll down, you can see over here about this gig. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy his description. Okay, like this. Okay, then go back to Facebook, put this description here like this. Okay, so optimize YouTube video SEO to improve ranking service. Okay, we use, and you are describing your affiliate service. So what you will do next is you will scroll down, as you can see, this is my affiliate link, this is description. So you just need to click over here on post, and your affiliate link will be posted on this Facebook YouTube group. Okay, and as you can see, there are a lot of people here who want to grow their YouTube channels, get more subscribers and more views, so they should be interested to try this service. Okay, SEO YouTube service. So but you make sure to promote your affiliate links on a lot of groups, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic without investing any money, and choose specific services by using this method. Okay, so because you cannot promote any services like I said, and give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Okay, so see you in my next video.